Okay students, now welcome back again. So here what we are going to do there, now you see the question number 11.4 that today only we have done in the videos, that propanol is having a higher boiling point than that of the hydrocarbon butane. Why beta? Because propanol is having a intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Why it is so? Because propanol has intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but in the alkane it is not there, means in butane it is not there. It's a clear. Now after that we are having a next point is there, question is there 11.5 question. Please see in the 11.5 question what they are asking you. They are asking you alcohols are comparatively more soluble in the water than the hydrocarbons. I think beta is again it's very clear that alcohols can make the hydrogen bond. Alcohols can make the hydrogen bond, but others hydrocarbon cannot make. Clear? Now 11.6 you see hydroboration oxidation reduction. Yesterday we have done. Okay, what we have done I will do in a short, or I will do a general reaction, but already we have done this one where we have added the BH3. Okay, what we have added there, BH3 we have added. Suppose I'm writing this one, alkene was there, I'm writing it again. What was there beta? Alkene was there, and whenever we are writing the alkene, there was the alkene. Just wait. Okay student, alkene was there. Okay, then to the alkene what we have added? We have added BH3. What we have added? BH3. And what we will what we get there over after that? See, here is BH2. Then we have done its reaction with the H2O2 with the peroxide, and what we will getting finally? And finally we will get there alcohol, as we have done yesterday. Okay, I think it's clear. Now next one is here, next question, that after that 11.7, give the structures and the IUPAC name of monohydric alcohol with the molecular formula C7H2H8O. Okay beta, for the C7H8O we can see how we can make. One, we can make like this, OHCH3. They ask you isomer, this is the ortho. Same way we can make one more, this is the meta, and this is the para. They are asking you their IUPAC name beta. So this one is name is 2-methylphenol. Its name is 2-methylphenol. And next one is 3-methylphenol. And last one is 4-methylphenol. Is that clear? Okay. After that, next one is here. After that, next one. Yes. But the next question is 11.8. Okay. In the 11.8, they told while separating the ortho and the para nitrophenols by the steam distillation, name the isomer which will be steam volatile. Beta, ortho and the para nitrophenols. Suppose there I am writing this one. This is phenol and NO2 at second position, and this is I am writing phenol, NO2 at the para position. Beta, just remember one thing, when OH and the NO2 is at the ortho position, then what is going to happening over there? You just see it very carefully. This NO2 can I write like this, and they are going to make a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is called इंट्रा, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Clear? Then after that, but this para is going to form there. जो पैरा बनाएगा बेटा इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. आई विल शो यू कैसे बनाएगा बेटा. क्या बनाएगा पैरा, इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. जस्ट सी देयर, दिस इज द बेंजीन रिंग. ओके, नाउ दिस इज NO, then O negative, then again here it is OH is going on. Same way, one more ring I will make over there. Okay, and here it is O and H, and here it is NO2. It's going on. Now what to do there, क्या बनेगा बेटा यहाँ पर. This is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. What do you call it? Intermolecular. But the difference I think you are now getting. This is called intermolecular. This was the intra within the same molecule. So means when the intramolecular hydrogen bonding is here, then forces are weak, association is less. Okay, but when the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is here, then association is, it means association is more. So what we are saying? We are saying usually orthonitrophenol is steam volatile because forces are weak, but here forces are strong because their association is strong. Is that clear? Okay student, after that you can see next question is here. Question is here 11.9. In the 11.9, what they are asking, they write the equation for the preparation of phenol from the cumene. But today only we have done where we have used isopropyl benzene we have done, and we have done its oxidation, then peroxide we got, then phenol. Okay, then after that write a chemical equation for the preparation of phenol from the chlorobenzene. Today only we have done Dawes process. Is the same only. Then 11.11 write the mechanism of hydration of ethene from the ethanol. Yesterday we have done in the notes, which was having a 3 steps. It is a 3-step mechanism that already we have done. Okay, understood all of you. Then 11.12 question. Which one is here? 11.12 question. Now in the 11.12 you are given a benzene and concentrated H2SO4 NaOH. Write the equation to form the phenols. Into that, see, very simple beta. What we are using over there, benzene, and when you will do the reaction with the benzene, means with the concentrated H2SO4, what you will get there? You will get there benzene sulfonic acid. What you will get there? Benzene sulfonic acid. That today only we have done. Then we are giving its reaction with the NaOH. Okay, I told you to take usually 2 NaOH, as I told you today's reactions also. Okay, then it will give you C6H5ONA, and then give its reaction with the dilute HCl, and what you will get? You will get C6H5OH, phenol you will get over there. Clear? Then after that, students, then after that, okay, question number is here, that is 11.13. Which question is here? 11.13 question. Now in the 11.13, what they are saying? They are saying, show how will you synthesize 1 phenyl ethanol from suitable alkene. अल्कोहल बनाना है, then cyclohexyl methanol using an alkyl halide by SN2 reaction. Then pentane 1-ol using a suitable alkyl halide. In these three, there is a preparation of the alcohol. What is it? Preparation of the alcohol. I will do one by one. Number one, they told ethynyl benzene. What they told there? Yeah, they told how you will synthesize 1-phenyl ethanol from the suitable alkene. 1-phenyl ethanol बनाना क्या है हमने, ये देखो. First of all, beta, we should have to know formula of the phenyl ethanol. Okay, you see please. This is benzene ring, CHOH, then CH3. This is called phenyl ethanol. करना क्या है हमने, कहाँ से बनाना है? From alkene. And alkene we have done, usually we are doing with the dilute H2SO4. And what we are using, Marconic of the rule, alkene हमने उसी हिसाब से बनाना है. अब alkene will be बेटा, what will be the alkene? Benzene ring, CH double bond CH2. You give the reaction with the H2O. Okay. Then when you will give with the H2O, what it will give? H positive and the OH negative. H positive will go where? With a more number of hydrogen. OH negative will go where? With a less number of hydrogen. And this final product will be formed. Is that clear? Are you getting my point? Same way you can see the second part of this question is there, that now synthesize cyclohexyl methanol. What is it? Cyclohexyl methanol. You see please, this is cyclohexane ring, cyclohexyl methanol. They told you by the SN2. Then what to do there? But क्या आएगा हमारे पास product? SN2, but we are using nucleophile OH negative. OH negative we are using, and in SN2 primary is more reactive. So what we are going to do there? Here you write CH2Br, okay, and here you simply write OH negative. Then what will come there? This OH negative will go there, and Br negative will be as an leaving group. Clear? This is called cyclohexyl methanol we have formed. Now after that, beta, you can see third part. In the third part they told pentane 1-ol using suitable alkyl halide. क्या बनाना है? पेंटेन 1-ol बनाना है हमने by using a suitable alkyl halide. It's very easy, but see, you can take bromopentane. What you can take there? This is the bromopentane plus NaOH. Again you can simply write SN2 mechanism. Then what you are going to do over there? क्या बन जाएगा आपके पास? Really sorry. There will be the Br. Then product will be CH3 and then CH2 4 ही है, then OH plus NaBr. NaBr will be the side product. Is that clear to all of you? So like this only we have prepared the alcohols what they told you. Okay students, thank you very much. Now we will meet in the next video.